If your travelers are booking from their phones, a bulky pricing widget can get in the way. WP Travel Engine gives you 3 mobile-friendly layouts to fix that. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over on WP Travel Engine, then click on Settings. Click on Display, then click on Single Trip. Inside it, click on Pricing Widget tab. At the top, you'll see 3 pricing widget layouts. Default shows the full widget with a Show Prices toggle. Compact shows category prices directly in a smaller footprint. Breeze shrinks the whole widget into a floating button that opens a pop-up with all the pricing when tapped. Click the layout you want to use. Below that, Compact layout adds even tighter spacing to the widget. Make Sticky and Scrollable keeps the widget visible as travelers scroll. Show WhatsApp links your WhatsApp number to the widget. Enable whichever fit your site. In the Enquiry message field, enter the message you want to display next to the Enquiry widget. To include a clickable link to your inquiry form within the message, enclose the text you want to use as the link label in double square brackets, like this. When displayed, the text inside the brackets will appear as a clickable link that takes visitors to your inquiry form. I will leave it blank, which uses its default settings, and click Save Settings. Open a trip page on your phone. Here, we're using the default layout, so travelers see the full pricing widget with the Show Prices toggle. Tapping it expands the pricing details, and the Book Now button sits right below it. The inquiry message appears just underneath, giving travelers a quick way to reach out if they need help before booking. And that's it. Your pricing widget is now built for smaller screens. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below. We're happy to help. You can also reach our support team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.